Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add Klarna payments to your Shopify web store as a possible payment option. So the first method I'm going to show you will be the direct method of adding Klarna to your Shopify store. In order to do this, the most direct method, simply go to your Shopify dashboard, and of course, make sure to have your Shopify account logged in. Go to your settings. On the left side panel, click on Payments and access your payment settings. The simplest way is to just choose a payment provider. Just type the provider's name like Klarna in the search bar. Just click on the provider and it will appear in your available payment methods. Just follow the prompts as shown here to connect your account, and this should automatically add the payment method. So, if the first method, which is the more direct one, does not work for your country, try the second, more manual method. So, we're going to make a free account on Klarna.com. While making your Klarna account, make sure you opt for a Klarna business account. And then just follow the guide to finish your Klarna business setup. Don't forget to provide all the necessary details and choose Shopify as your platform. This is a quicker way to integrate Klarna. Once your Klarna account is set up, it'll prompt you to add your business information, stakeholders, and your bank account details. Next, let's try adding Klarna manually to your Shopify store. So go to your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then choose Payments yet again. But this time, scroll down to find Add Manual Payment Method. And then choose Create Custom Payment Method. Let's name this custom method Klarna Account or something like that. Input the relevant details from your Klarna account, including your payment instructions. Activate this method, and it will now be a custom method available for your customers to use. Sadly though, if Klarna is really not available in your country, feel free to explore other payment options in the Choose a Provider section underneath Payment Methods. Different providers might be more available to you based on your specific location. And that's really all there is to using this method to adding Klarna payments on your Shopify store. If you're considering adding Klarna as a payment method, note that it has actually been shown to increase conversions, average order value, and even boost purchase frequency, since they do offer split payments and other various payment methods. If you have any other questions or inquiries with the steps I've shown you today, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.